Today I'm gonna show you how to upload any font in Photoshop. So this is our project and I have typed something called the chameleon. Now select the text and on the top left corner you will see a text bar. If you click it, you will see so many different text, and funny enough, Photoshop itself gives you so many different options when it comes to text. But we will not use any of it, we will upload our new text. So this is a website called The Font, and where you will find different fonts for free. Here on the preview you can write your text and you will see how each text looks. We will choose Caviar Dreams and we will open it and simply click download. Click the zip file and you will see the font. Double click it and simply press install. There are different options for this font like bold italic. You can install it if you want. Now we'll go back to our project, select the text, and on the top text bar we'll type Caviar Dreams. You can see the difference, and now if you want to choose bold you can choose it. So it's a very simple tutorial. I hope it helps.